Good afternoon from Grand Family Farm. Today I'm going to attempt to make some rows by packing the soil with the tires, and we'll do the tire tracks like how we did here. That was a test. And so you can't make some rows for the corn. Don't know if how the water's going to flow in it, but I think it'll work. I know it's not perfect, but anyway, we're going to try to give it a shot. Not sure how far over we're going with the corn either. Just kind of play by ear. So, but anyway, they should do a plant between the tire tracks. Now it may not be the right way, but this is the way we want to try it this year. So this is what we have now. About halfway through. Hopefully this will work out where this water down where the tire tracks are, flat between them. I think it's far enough apart. Can't remember what the measurement is, but it should be fine. It's a little harder than you think to keep the tires in its own tracks. But anyway, that's the update. Well, there it is. Our rows made. The tire tracks right here. And hopefully it'll cool down tonight so we can plant this. So I don't know if that's going to happen or not. It's very hot right now. It needs to be planted very soon. Should have been already planted like last week or so. Anyway, I'm not for sure how far across we are going to put corn, but we'll put a group of corn all in one spot so they can pollinate each other. And then we'll see what we'll do with the rest of this. Maybe nothing this year. But anyway, that's all we got for right now. I gotta go do some mowing here. So this is it for right now, and thank you for watching. You have a good day.